Have you ever tried making dinner for the family, only to realize one dish finishes cooking long before the other? Or maybe you're tired of juggling multiple appliances just to get a complete meal on the table. If that sounds familiar, this product might solve a problem you didn't even realize had a solution. Today, we're taking a close look at the 24-quart dual-zone air fryer oven with Rotisserie. This countertop appliance is designed for busy families, meal preppers, health-conscious cooks, and anyone who wants more cooking flexibility without filling their kitchen with multiple gadgets. The biggest selling point is its dual-zone design, which allows you to cook different foods at different temperatures simultaneously. You can find the direct link to this product right in the description. At first glance, this air fryer oven looks more premium than many models in its price range. The stainless steel interior immediately gives it a durable and professional feel, while the large glass door makes it easy to keep an eye on food without opening the oven and losing heat. The touchscreen controls are clean and modern, and despite offering a lot of functions, the layout feels surprisingly approachable. What really stands out is the interior space. The 24-quart capacity provides enough room for larger meals, making it especially appealing for families or anyone who enjoys entertaining guests. The removable divider adds versatility because you can either use the oven as one large cooking chamber or split it into two independent cooking zones. In practical terms, that means you can cook chicken in one section while roasting vegetables in the other without constantly adjusting cooking times or temperatures. Build quality feels reassuringly solid. The racks slide smoothly, the accessories feel sturdy, and the double-layer glass door helps retain heat efficiently. These details may seem small, but they're the kind of things that improve the everyday cooking experience and contribute to long-term durability. When it comes to performance, this is where the dual-zone concept becomes genuinely useful. Instead of cooking foods one after another, you can prepare multiple parts of a meal simultaneously. For busy households, that can save a surprising amount of time during weeknight cooking. The independent temperature controls allow different foods to cook under ideal conditions, which is something standard air fryers simply can't offer. The 360-degree air circulation system does an impressive job of distributing heat evenly throughout the cooking chamber. Foods develop a crispy exterior while remaining moist inside, and the results are consistently better than what many people achieve with a conventional oven. French fries come out golden and crunchy, chicken develops a satisfying crispness, and roasted vegetables cook evenly without excessive drying. One feature that deserves special mention is the rotisserie function. Whole chickens come out beautifully browned with juicy interiors, creating results that feel much closer to restaurant-quality cooking than you might expect from a countertop appliance. For anyone who enjoys meal prepping protein-rich meals, this feature alone adds significant value. Using the appliance day-to-day is refreshingly simple. The touchscreen interface is intuitive, preset cooking modes reduce guesswork, and the interior lighting allows easy monitoring during cooking. Cleanup is equally straightforward thanks to the stainless steel interior and dishwasher-safe accessories. That's a major advantage for anyone who cooks frequently and wants to spend less time scrubbing afterward. Of course, there are a few compromises. The larger capacity means it occupies more counter space than compact air fryers. If you're working with a very small kitchen, you'll want to measure carefully before buying. There's also a slight learning curve when using the dual-zone functionality for the first time, although most users will adapt quickly after a few meals. Compared to similarly priced models from Ninja, Emeril Lagasse, and other popular air fryer oven brands, this unit distinguishes itself through its flexible dual-zone design and generous cooking capacity. Many competitors offer excellent cooking performance, but few provide the ability to prepare separate dishes simultaneously with independent temperature control. Overall, this 24-quart dual-zone air fryer oven is best suited for families, meal preppers, and home cooks who want greater flexibility and faster meal preparation. It solves a real-world problem while reducing the need for multiple kitchen appliances, making it one of the more practical countertop cooking solutions available today. If you're looking for an air fryer oven that can handle complete meals, save time, and simplify your cooking routine, this is definitely one worth considering. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and check the link in the description for current pricing and availability before any deals change.